every truth you hide away. Find his voice another day. So when the noise fades out tonight and the city finally sleeps, hold on to what you feel inside. It's more than what you need. Don't waste your tears on yesterday. It never comes back around. Lift your head, breathe it in. When the noise fades out, I've been walking down these streets for years. Same old doubts, same old fears. Some people talk like they know the way, but they've never stood where you stand today. There's a fire in you, don't let it die. Even angels learn how to fall sometimes. If the world feels heavy on your chest, that just means you cared more than the rest. Every scar you try to hide is proof you're still alive. So when the noise fades out tonight and the lights begin to drown, hold on tight to what you found before it slips back down. Don't waste your tears on yesterday. It never makes a sound. Say your truth, don't look back. When the noise fades out, maybe I don't have the answers, maybe I never will, but I know this feeling's real. Yeah, I know this feeling's real. We don't need a perfect ending, just a reason to begin. Let it go, let it out.